All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or welcome back again to Brainy Byte tutorial. All right, so if this is your first time of coming across our YouTube channel, you are highly welcome. All right, so we are Brainy Byte tutorial, and what we do in this channel is that we talk about things that concern JAMB, WAEC, NECO, and the rest of them. So if you are any of these candidates, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn on bell notification, because I drop videos on YouTube on daily basis. All right, so that any updates you need as any of these candidates, you will definitely have to get it here on our WhatsApp or YouTube page. All right, so most importantly, we have a WhatsApp group that is basically for our 2024 registered UTME candidates. Okay, of course, you yourself can become one of our member. The only way you can become one of our member is to let me know in the comment section that you want to join us. I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I would really have to add you to our WhatsApp group. Okay, so today's topic is Post UTME past questions. All right, so I also have a question: advantages of Post UTME past question and disadvantages of Post UTME past question, and we have how to score high with past question, and the last one, how to get Post UTME past question. All right, so in this video, you have to follow me from the beginning of this video to the very last side of this video, because I'm going to explain all of this thing in detail so that you understand all of them. All right, so join me, let's get right to this video. Okay, so as we all know that most of these videos I come here to drop is because of my candidate that ask is some questions that I receive from my candidates. All right, so I come here to drop most of these videos, and the reason why I'm dropping most of these videos here is because I promised all my subscribers that whatsoever questions I receive from my candidate, I would definitely have to come here to answer all of the questions. All right, so that's why I have to drop these videos here on YouTube either. So it is important for you as a JAMB aspirant, as a university aspirant, to share this video to so many groups in your that you are in. All right, so share this video as many times as possible to so many groups. All right, so that other aspirants will as well benefit from this video. All right, so let's get right. So first one is Post UTME past question. Okay, so Post UTME past question, it's just like a preparatory questions and answers that helps you or that guides you to see how the institution ask their question, or see the areas or where or how the institutions set their questions. All right, so that's Post UTME past question. Each school have their own different Post UTME past question. Let's assume that we have Nnamdi Azikiwe University, UNIZIK. It has their own Post UTME past question. Several other schools, everybody have their own Post UTME past questions as well. All right, so now let's look at the advantages of Post UTME past question. Okay, so if you ask me, I will tell you for free that studying with Post UTME past question goes a long way in helping candidates succeed. For the people that want to pass Post UTME, right? Studying with Post UTME past question helps you. The reason why it helps you is because when you are writing, just like the way you study during your JAMB time, okay, you had syllabus and you study with your syllabus during your exam time, and as well you checked while studying with your syllabus, you as well checked the JAMB past question to see if what you're actually studying with your syllabus tallies with what you are seeing on their past question. All right, so that will help you a lot. Right, it will definitely help you a lot, because when you see those questions, and in some cases, the people that complain that past question doesn't help them is people that they don't study past question, they only memorize past question, and it's not good for you to memorize past question, because and at the end of the day, they will be like they'll feel disappointed when they don't see any of those things they memorize in the exam hall. In some cases, you don't need to expect any of those things to be appear there. All right, so those things is just to give you a clue to see how the school set their exam. All right, so you look at it, you see where you can adjust your belt, where you have challenges, you tackle those areas you have challenges, then you continue. All right, so that's basically how it is. Okay, that's how they do it. So the advantage, the Post UTME has the past question plays a crucial role in helping candidates to succeed. All right, unless you don't want to pass. I believe that's not what you want. Okay, you want to pass, so you need Post UTME past question. Okay, because when you are studying with Post UTME past question and you have, let's say you have 2023, 2023 their previous past question, 2022, then when you look at those their past question, you see, oh my god, so these people pick questions from here, these people pick questions from these topics. So when you check and check and check and check and check, you see that okay, they constantly repeat, or they mostly repeat questions from this particular topic. All right, so now you, based on that topic, you make that topic where you concentrate. Okay, you concentrate on those topic, tackle those ones very well, then that's it. When you are good in that topic, I believe that you don't have any challenge again. Okay, so now let's go to how to score high with Post UTME past question. Okay, so this one, with what I have explained so far, I don't even need to explain another further thing here for you to understand me, that with your Post UTME past question, updated Post UTME past question, you are going to score high in your forthcoming Post UTME examination, right? Because the reason why I say you are going to score high, because let's assume that you are studying with Post UTME past question, you are now familiar with how the school asks their questions, you are now familiar with where they get their topics from. Then you compare yourself with somebody that have not even seen the past question since someone that's not even ready for the exam, that have not even set his eye or her eyes on the past question. Now when you compare yourself with those kind of persons, you see that you don't even need to compare yourself, because you're definitely going to beat them all. Right, you are definitely going to beat them. And Post UTME is what that determines your chances of getting admission into any higher institution in Nigeria. So that's why they don't, even the school don't joke with it. You yourself, you don't even need to joke with it, because if you fail there, you have failed and you have failed and you have failed. So that's why you need to study and buckle up, then pass your Post UTME. Then once you pass your Post UTME, you know that at least you have gotten a step. Alright, so it is now left for the school to decide if you meet the admission criteria or not before they offer you admission. Okay, so the very last one is how to get Post UTME past question. Okay, so I have made all of these things easy for our candidate, our subscribers on YouTube. Alright, so and here we're giving it out for free, right? Before now we're giving it out for free. Okay, so now again we're not giving it out again for free, but however we have made it for you to get in a very little token. All right, so message me on the comment section, let me know in the comment section that you want to get the past question, and I'll be right there to give you my WhatsApp number. Then after getting to know you on WhatsApp, I will give you the past question, and I will as well add you to our candidates group. All right, so where you can meet with your fellow aspirants. Okay, so study with past questions. If your exam is still fast approaching and you need past question, right? You need your school past question, right? It's not a random past question. You need your school past question. Then you follow us on YouTube, subscribe, because I will be dropping revision questions here, and believe me, a lot of persons are testified from our revision past question from the schools that have just concluded their Post UTME exams. Okay, so I believe you yourself will also testify. All right, so let's go and let's get the admission this year. All right, so I'll be very, very happy for you if you get admission, and I will want to post you your congratulations. All right, so that's all I wait for you. Okay, I pray I wish you all success. Okay, until I see you again in my next video, don't forget I love and cherish you all. All right, don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you all in the next video. Keep winning.